Today, 13 green trades, 512% on SPY combined, 109 on McDonald's, that crazy 233 SPX trade end of day, as well as 75% on Meta. For those of you who haven't yet, I urge you, if you want to dig deeper into your trading journey, to check out the Moon Landing trading course. You can find the link to it in the Discord or the link below. Nevertheless, great day today. We kind of called it. We knew what the risk was to the downside. We knew exactly when and where to buy and how to ride it. So here you see new moon hit a timing model so little, it can be off by a few days. I mean, it called it a couple of days before the top, but nevertheless, it's going to be very volatile, but we have some momentum here if we don't crap out tomorrow to take us into the beginning of May here. All right. So what about tomorrow? Well, it's early low tomorrow, early low on Wednesday as well, and then early high for Thursday and Friday. So tomorrow, if we gap up, great. We're off to the races, and we're probably gonna fight this FOMC announcement price, maybe top out over there, kind of at the same level as Todd's spreads. If we gap down, and if it's bullish tomorrow, it's just go, right? If it's weak, we test 553, and I would think we probably come and test IB session high from here or down to this FOMC line. We kind of have to go by seeing what happens. We had a falling wedge today. You had that huge MOC buying end of day. We'll see. Pre-market, there's going to be a reaction. So far, right into open, there's going to be some reaction, and then we'll see how this 5-minute grid lands into the whole thing. But today it worked wonders. It called the low, then it moved the whole thing, called some pretty significant spots, so it worked great. I was dialed into it. As far as individuals, Meta, I'm still looking for more upside because tech didn't really have a day today. It was kind of Apple and Nvidia which was a nice surprise. But for SPY, I still want to remind you guys, you go to the moon notes, you'll see them, but our range is 565, 543. And what happened last week? Right? Let's recap what happened last week. It was Tuesday, and we were sitting pretty close to our top of the range, which was right there. And even early on in Wednesday, wondering what was going to happen, right? So now you got the same situation, you just have it right here. If we get there tomorrow somehow, and I don't expect tomorrow to be as rippy, but if it does and we do get up there, it's gonna look really good, meaning we've taken the FOMC line, we've taken this trend line, we've taken that trend line. People are probably gonna be completely blind to the dive bomb coming on Wednesday possibly, so keep that in mind, please. Okay, I urge you to do that. We're late in the game here. There's not a lot of us left in this market. Okay, let's be real. We have something special. Everything everybody contributes is primo sauce. Namo looks absolute dog shit. Okay. Speaking of the VIX today, it did fill the gap, so it needs to reject hard right there. Clearly has more room to run, but we're not done with the downside at all. Okay, like we are not done with the downside. And I just wanted to take a minute, if I can find it. Could we be putting a low in? Yes, absolutely. Do I think that we're just gonna rip to all-time highs? No, and I will not believe that until I see it. Okay, hold on here. tomorrow it still does look bullish on the calendar. Okay, great. What am I gonna do with that? I am going to thread carefully here. Carefully. This is a big question mark. Now, yes, the 4th with Daddy Powell, yes. Will I play it? Absolutely. But you got to be careful, right? The new collar, I'm trying to pull it up here because we're gonna mark it in. Okay, the new collar is 55.80. Why is that interesting? Because we knew what the collar would be before they released it, because we have that ghost candle. We're gonna make that fucker orange. Can he be orange? He's gonna be orange. That means that guy's gonna have to get out of there. So he's orange now, he's up there. And the bottom of the collar is well, there's 52.50 and 52.90. We're gonna go with the 52.50. I have this mark that is very close. 52.50. Let's go with it. Okay, that's gonna be Mr. Collar. We're moving some stuff around here. Okay, here's Mr. Collar. Beautiful, fantastic. Did I choose the same color? Whatever, who cares? Let's do this. So just take a minute here. Oop. Take a minute to look. Top of the collar right there. Right there, actually, sorry. We're gonna have to remove that guy. He's messing up our stuff. Top of the collar right there. Why did that guy not want to get out of there? Delete. Yeah, there you go. Thank you. Okay, so the top of the collar is not saying all-time high. It's saying really tight range. Okay, expect a lot of chop, like $8 down overnight. Huge news. Boom. That's what they're essentially preparing for. Have I seen us go beyond the collar before? Yes. Okay, I just want to point it out. Dow Jones, very strong day today. Obviously played McDonald's. That was great. But let's just keep our, let's not get married to a plan. Let's react. All right, guys. God bless.